Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this purple smoky eye. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And as always, if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with some translucent powder. And for today's palette, I decided to use the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. It's perfect for any purple eyeshadow. It just has every purple shade that you could possibly imagine, and it's super pigmented, super good. So this is what I'm using for today's look. First shade I'm going into is this lighter blush pink shade, and I'm just going to be applying this right in the center of my crease, winging out that outer corner. We are going to be doing more of a cat eye shape, so just kind of flick out that outer edge. Next, we're going to slowly start to build some depth in the crease. So I'm grabbing my angled brush and I'm grabbing the darkest purple shade in the palette. And we're just going to be applying a line of definition right in the center and also flicking out that outer corner once again. And we're just going to slowly build color based off of this shape that we have down right here. And this just helps to kind of keep control over where we're going to be applying the next few shades. And it's just a really good map for us. So I'm just going to be mixing that lighter pink shade and that lighter purple shade with this fluffy tapered brush, and we're just going to be going in left to right motions directly over top of that line, and it's just going to start to build a gradient for us, and it's going to marry that light pink shade and these purple shades together. So just going in left and right motions. Next, I'm grabbing an even smaller tapered brush and I'm mixing the light purple and the dark purple shade together. And we're just going to be going even closer to that line of definition and just once again going in left to right motions. And this is going to also really help that gradient look nice and blended. Next, I'm grabbing my angled brush and some more of that concealer, and we're just going to be carving our lid and also cutting our crease. And I like to set the lid as well just to give us a nice base for the shadows that we're going to apply over top of it. And as always, when I go in with concealer, I always set it in place with translucent powder just so it doesn't transfer into the crease at all. Next, I'm going into this flat brush and I'm going into the metallic purple shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this onto my lid. I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus, and that just made that shade a little bit more pigmented, but that shade is absolutely stunning and it does already have pigment as is, but I just wanted that extra little pigment to really pop. And then I'm going into that darker purple shade in the palette with my small tapered brush once again and just really packing this onto that outer edge and dragging inward motions to blend it into that lid shade, and it's just going to really give this look a lot more dimension. And then I'm going into this flat defined brush and I went into my black shade from the Morphe 3503 palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have in your collection, but I'm just kind of packing this as a wing. And then I'm going back into that smaller tapered brush and that darker purple shade and just kind of doing left and right motions over top of that line just to make it look a little bit more smoky. And then I'm just peeling off my tape, and then I'm going to be applying some concealer. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. That's the concealer that I used to prime my eyelids, to also cut my crease, and also underneath my eye. And then I'm setting it in place with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Barbados lashes. Link will always be in the description box down below. And then for my waterline, I'm using my Urban Decay Double Life Liner. And then for our lower lash line, I'm just using the same shades that we applied in our crease. So first, that light blush transition color. And then I'm going to be going into that darker purple shade mixed with some black. And I'm just going to be applying that to the very outer edge of my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. And then the last step for this look, I'm just picking up my Pixi Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight and just applying this to my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. If you watched this video all the way through, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's video. We are still doing our daily uploads, and thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!